guys so much. So guys, for you to achieve this look, you need to apply your face primer. That is very necessary. So I'm using my pond primer. I'm going to apply it. Use my brush. You can probably use your hands to apply it too, but I'm using my brush to apply it till I get a smooth finishing, and I can proceed. So guys, once you're done applying your face primer, the next step is for you to dive into using your foundation. But in this process, your foundation has to be very little, like little, and you can make do with a matte foundation, a foundation that dries faster but really good. So this is V Beauty foundation, and I'm applying it in a gradual process so I can achieve a better result. So there are better ways of applying foundation. You need to apply a particular area before moving on to the next part. So once you're done applying your foundation, the next step is to move into your Elegant Pro concealer, because that's what I'm using to highlight. So once you're done doing this, but in this process you're not applying much, so this is for your nose marks. So everything you're doing has to be little. So this is the perfect way to apply your blush. I'm using the dry lipstick. I'm using the lipstick palette for this. So if you don't have a proper blush palette, it is right about time to apply your dry powder. I'm applying my dry powder, but in a gradual process. I'm not applying too much because I want everything to stay intact. If in case I sweat, everything has to still be intact. But I don't sweat at all. So you need to study yourself very well to know what works for you. For me, a lighter quantity of powder is perfect. So moving on with my blush, I still need to apply my blush. That's something I can do without. My bronzer, I love bronzer a lot. I apply bronzer on my nose and it will still stay even after taking off the nose mask. That is something you all need to know. So it's optional if you want to, apply bronzer on your nose or not, but for me, I shall will. And this process, if you're doing this look, your lipstick has to be matte. Yeah, you need to wear a matte lipstick that will make everything stay intact. You don't need glossy lipstick for nose marks. And ta-da! So this is me trying out this process. I need to touch so you know so well that this thing works. I tried this before making the video of it, and it's super cute. You can't go wrong with this process. You can't go wrong with the steps. Only thing you need to just apply same process, same principles. The rules are not much. All you have to do is reduce the quantity of everything you take on a normal makeup without face masks, and it will work for you. It will definitely. The reason why I said you should use a matte lipstick, that's because you need to still look flawless even after taking off your nose mask. So this is another nose mask, the black nose mask, so you all can know what I'm talking about. If it's something that will pick off products from your face, you will still see it if I take off the nose mask. But I'm looking flawless. Yeah, I'm looking so flawless. You guys, thanks for watching my video. I love you guys to the moon and back. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. I love you so much. Bye.